Okay, for this activity, we are going to create an image word sort. We're going to use our existing word list, so we're going to copy and paste that into here. And then we're going to insert the images that represent the meaning of the words. So we're not going to create containers this time. We're simply going to create a matching activity. First thing, let's go find our words. Let's go up to our base set that we've already created. Yours might look a little bit different depending on the style and font and everything. We're going to go ahead and copy, drag, click, hold, drag to select, and then I'm going to use Control C, or I can also right click and hit copy, but I just chose to use that. Okay, once I've copied those, we're going to go on down to our image word sort slide, right click to paste, or I can use my shortcut Control V, which is what I'm going to do. And you know what, just like I did before, I think I'm going to get a little separation here. So I'm going to go ahead and drag these down. I'm going to go ahead and then select those, right click, and distribute those vertically to get some extra space in there. We'll do the same thing here. Give ourselves a bottom line, click, hold, drag, select, right click, and distribute vertically. Great skill to learn for slides. I'm going to drop these off to the right hand side here. You can do this either way. I'm going to choose to go ahead and put the words off to the side. And I also just happen to have my instructions laying there. That's fine. I'll get rid of those. Those probably won't be there for yours. And from here, actually, let's go ahead and just move it off to the side so it's not in the way. There we are. From here, you're going to go ahead and just insert images. So whatever images you want to have available for the students to connect to, that's just you searching for those. You can use the insert image from search to the web. You could also acquire images from students, the ones that maybe they have already made. Therefore, they have made something, they'll be able to connect with it maybe a little bit more. You could also ask students to find their own images that would connect with each of these words, kind of a reverse thing where they're doing a little bit more research. But let's see, I'm going to go ahead and look for nation, right? And for the sake of relevance, it could be whatever nation best represents them. So maybe we'll put in United States for me to be my picture that represents nation. So any of these pictures, you're going to insert them, probably adjust them, because there will be, in this case, we have 16 words, so we'll have 16 images. And let's do another one. I'm going to move over here so I can see my words. Next one is Taylor. Here we go. Someone who is making some clothing. Someone who's very good at it. That is their profession. We're going to search for Mayor Cartoon. That kind of looks like a fun little guy right there. Nice little kid-friendly image. Click, hold, and drag. Resize this big fella. He's our mayor. And then I'm not going to make you watch me find all the images to these. I'll let you go ahead and do that. And then we'll catch up here in just a second. Okay, now that we got our images added, just a couple other things. We still need some instructions on this page. Let's go ahead and just pick a shape and give some instruction to our students. All right, we're going to want to match the word from your list with the image it is connected to, or whatever student-friendly language you want to use. Just drag the words to the right of the image. Smiley face. Of course, you could spend time and make the instructions maybe look a little bit prettier and change different fonts. A couple other suggestions here, just so that there is a definitive space for some of these words to go into, because I could see a student maybe getting confused of should I put it on the right side or on the left side, even if I didn't follow the instructions, which was to put it onto the right hand side. If we create a space for that, that's kind of helpful. So I'm going to go ahead and insert actually just a text box right around these images right here. And then I'll let my space end there. And then if I go up here to this border weight, I'll just change that to 3. Okay, so now it's categorizing like for here, this is where the words should go. You could do it technically for each word if you wanted to do that. I'm just going to do it for the whole group. Just like we did before, any object I can duplicate. So instead of doing all that stuff again, I will click this. Control D is my duplicate, just like we had done before, reapplying that skill. I'm going to move that over, adjust it for the set, do it again, and then make adjustments for my final set of images here as well. Notice that I need to stretch that one up. Same over here, need to stretch that one up. And from here, you get to perhaps demonstrate for the students as well how this activity would go. So just click, hold, drag, the airplane goes here, restate. Which one? Oh, I wasn't listening. Could you say that again, please? This one, I just wanted to let you know, I couldn't find a good image for remain. So I used a shape tool and I used it twice. So I put in a typable shape, a rounded rectangle, and then I did the no smoking cancel whatever shape, this thing right here. Just a little note about that. Initially, I couldn't see what was there, but it has that little yellow dot we talked about in our last video, which allows me to adjust the thickness of the shape. Okay, so just a little note. Sometimes when you can't find the picture you're looking for, you could perhaps use the shapes to help you out in your own words as well. So there you have it. I can't wait to see your awesome version for your list. Have fun.